Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website. This website name is Dogepick. Okay, this website pay you every hourly. It's too easy to sign up. I'll show you how you can start signing up. Self capture every hour pay you this much Dogecoin, and this is have a game to you can play and you can increase your earning. It is a safer security. Have a commission from referral commission. You have a commission to pay you. Okay, this much Dogecoin this website pay around of the world right now for the users. It's not too much, but it's still paying a lot of people. This much user the website registered in this website, and this much people play the game. Okay. And this is all about the Dogecoin. You can just click it, you can read it, and how you can buy Dogecoin, what's Dogecoin, why use Dogecoin, what is the faucet, this all the thing have. Okay, first of all, the link of this website available in the description. Click the sign up, put your username, email, password, and repeat your password and solve this captcha and just click sign up. You can make an account. I have already account. Just I put my email and password, my email address and my password. Then I solve this captcha. Okay, after I solving this captcha and just click login. I'm logging in my account right now. You can see this is my account. If I get a withdrawal target is 10 Dogecoin, this will be increase my earning, and this will be going to the level up, and you can go to master. In the master you can get 10 Dogecoin every 1 hour. Okay, to claim your Dogecoin 10 times is the free spin half. First of all, you confirm your email. Just click verify email. Verify email send you an email to your email address to you login with. You confirm that email address, and then you can easily make it your 10 times free bonus faucet. Okay, and before I verify that, just I show you how you can claim this faucet. Just type the captcha available in here, lower capital letters and lower letters. You type it. If you have a number, type a number. Okay, you can see I claimed this much BTC. Now I go to my Gmail to show you the verification. Okay, now you can see this show me in spam. You go to your Gmail, go to spam. Okay, spam, and in the first one is this one. You can just click it, confirm it, and go to home to verify, and you can see you have 10 times bonus. You click the bonus. Okay, you can see I am come in bonus, and I have another verification. Here I can double my faucet for 1 day. Okay, just I click verify again. If you want it, you can verify your email. If you don't want right now, just claim the bonus. Okay, click the bonus. Okay, in here, reload it. Okay, going to form bonus, and you can see you get it the amount. I just click this one. Okay, I get my amount. I just click again. 10 times you can claim, and you can claim your amount 2x. Okay, I just show you the number. If you get lower on upper, the number show you. Okay, I have one left, and that's it. I get this much BTC, and I go and verify again. Next day I have another verification. It's for today. Yeah, the next day I can verify again, and I can claim bonus again. Okay, there's no bonus available right now. And the next way to you can increase your earning from here is to go to games, play these games to you can increase your rate, and your target is 10 Dogecoin. You just come here, click automatically, and you can increase your winning chance and increase the bet, and just click automatically. This will be beating in here, and that's the best way to you can increase your rate to you go to next level. Okay, and another way is affiliate. Okay, affiliate, you can refer all your friends to come join this website and start earning from this website, and you can get some commission. The next way is a deposit. You can deposit, and in here we have withdrawal. Okay, the minimum withdrawal amount is 10 Dogecoin. The transaction fees is 1.5 Dogecoin ticket, and after I reaching 10 Dogecoin, I will be share with you the withdrawal proof from this website. And thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel. This website link available in description. This website is a light website, and that's the best website ever. I watch a lot of people making amount of from this website, and you can come here, click it, and you can every time get much more amount to you want it. Okay, just play the game, increase this one to you going to another level, and you can earn much more. And this website link available in description. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Please support me to I make much more videos for you all, and bye bye for now.